It's a certified 2016 Kia Sorento. Your life requires you to be adaptive, and your vehicle should be too. This Sorento's the perfect fit for everything you need it to be. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, streaming audio, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, power heated mirrors, and automatic transmission. Consumer Reports finds the Sorento offers lots of interior space, yet is easily maneuverable and simple to access. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. Experience it for yourself today. Sunset Kia of Venice. Stop in and see us today at 1179 US 41 Bypass South in Venice, Florida.